If you want to make money online by teaching people things you already know, here are the top 5 niches to make $100,000 online. And the best part about it is you probably already know something in one of these niches. Hey, I'm Christina, your internet sister, and I teach women how to level up mentally and financially. If that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe and join the community. Okay, so we all know that you can make money online by teaching people things that you already know, but here are the top 5 niches to increase that income and increase those chances even more. Let's get right into it. Number 1, business and entrepreneurship. Fun fact, this is the niche that helped me make my first 6 figures online. This is definitely a good one. You can capitalize on this by teaching people things like how to grow their business, how to start a business, how to brand their business online, how to market their business correctly. The thing about this niche that I love so much is the fact that it's an evergreen niche, meaning that people are always going to need help, always going to need advice, and always going to be seeking things in this niche. The list literally goes on about how you can help people in this, and you can start a very, very lucrative business. People have great businesses in this niche, and they start off just at the low 6 figures and maximize it all the way to 8, 9, sometimes even 10 figures. Extremely lucrative niche, and you will forever be profitable and you'll forever have clientele. Next, we have health and wellness. Of course, this niche is focusing on the mental health and well-being of people, which is a forever thing. Like, people obsess over how they can be better mentally, how they can have a more fit lifestyle. So if you know anything in this niche, you can really do great things with it. Some examples of what you can do and how you can sell people products in this niche is digital workouts, digital fitness plans, things like selling a workout, stress management, nutrition, so like cookbooks, meal preps, how to get better sleep at night, how to train yourself to sleep, how to get over insomnia. Literally, the list goes on and on in health and wellness. It is such a massive niche that you will literally have to niche down within this. But whatever you pick will make so much money because people literally need their health and wellness to be great for the world to go around, literally to exist, to survive. You know anything in this niche, this is your time to shine, especially at the beginning of the year when people are heavily focusing on how they can get better, how they can create new routines, and how they can be the best version of themselves. Number 3, career coaching. This one is slightly different from the others because I feel like it doesn't have as much range, but nonetheless, it is very lucrative because this is helping people level up in their career. And when people have worked so hard in their career, of course they want to level up. Of course they want to make more money. So how do you capitalize off of this niche? You can help people by teaching them how to negotiate their salaries, helping them build their resume, helping them negotiate higher positions in the company, teaching them how to land their dream jobs. And trust me, especially right now, people are looking more than ever on how to really expand their careers and how to really capitalize off their careers. So if there's anything you're good at with this niche, anything at all, you need to capitalize off of it and you will make easily 6 figures online because this niche is in such high demand right now. Next, we have finance coaching. Now, this is one of my favorites because I feel like this one might be the most lucrative of them all. And it's pretty obvious why. You're helping people level up their finances. You're helping people budget their finances better. You're helping people make more money, whether it's online, whether it's in person. You're helping people with their finances, which is a thing that most people heavily rely on. This is also a niche that I have firsthand experience in, and I can tell you just how lucrative it really is. This is what I help my students with, and they make 5 and 6 figures online just by helping people with things. If you want to get started helping people with making money online, be sure to grab my free guide. I'll put the link in the description and it can help you with everything on how to get started online, teaching people things that you already know. Finance niche is so good because it's such a massive niche, but it's a niche that people from all walks of life rely on. Whether you're investing in stocks, whether you're trading, whether you're trying to learn how to budget, whether you're bad at money management, whatever it is within finance, you can do things. So examples of things you can teach people in the finance niche is how to get better at budgeting. This is extremely lucrative here in the first quarter of the year because so many people are trying to make New Year's resolutions. So many people are trying to be better with their finances. If you know how to budget or anything, how to get out of debt, anything like that, you need to capitalize off of this. Another good thing is teaching people how to achieve financial freedom, whether it's online, whether it's in person, whether you have a specific method you use to be able to do this. When people manage their money better, helping people invest their money, the list goes on for finance. But if you know anything within it, you need to get on it now. You will make so much money and you would go way past the six-figure mark. Lastly, we have number five. Let me know if you guessed this niche. Guess what number five could be. Let me know in the comments what you think it is before I say it. Okay, next we have number five, relationship and dating. Things like helping people find love, marriage, navigate divorce, helping people learn how to date. This niche is so lucrative because most people are always looking for love. Most people want to find that partner. Most people want a great dating life, but they cannot navigate it. What might be natural to you or what might seem just so easy for you is so hard for other people. People are literally selling dating scripts, how to go on a date, how to land a date, how to have date etiquette, how to save their marriage. The list goes on in love because people want to feel love. Many people want a great dating life. It's just really hard out there for some people to connect or to stop being introverted or to even speak to people. So if you know anything in this niche, you can really capitalize off of it. I know that it seems a little bit weird, but people are paying six figures for dating coaches just to match them with people, just to tell them what to say. So if you're good at this, if you're good at picking dates, if you're good at picking men, women, whatever it is, if you're good at helping people save their marriages, you need to get on this ASAP. This video was super helpful. Make sure you save this for later and let me know what niche is the best niche for you. What niche are you leaning towards? Let me know in the comments. And if y'all want to see any other different type of video, let me know. I'll be more than happy to make it. I enjoyed making this video for you, sisters. See you in the next video.